The people of Zampuy Hill, irrespective of tribes and community, would like to thank you today for those assurance and looking forward to working with you and with the government in having this successful settlement of the Bru refugees in Tripura and not here in our Zampuy Hill area. So thank you very much and God bless you. Thank you.
SDM in Remta na hian Zampuy Mizo te na kan ngen na chu Tripura Sarkarin nin ti lo thin sa don ta ni kan thria an lom he ni hi kan president MC president David Raltenia ni kan secretary Dr. Zairan Thiama ani ya masih lagi Islam gathau làm cái căng ăn đồn chuộc chọc á đi phải tiêm hầu đi Rồi